Folks, what's going on?
Woo.
Your Weekend Gardener here, and we have another taste test. I'm actually back at the international market. I haven't been in months. Wintertime, I don't do a lot of going outside, but it was warm the other day. I was in the neighborhood. I stopped by to pick up these little babies. These are guavas. Wow.
It smells wonderful.
You know what it smells like? It smells like Brazil.
Yes, exactly. This is the reason I smell and say,
Wow.
oh, this is definitely guava.
Yeah, this smells like Brazil. This is yours. So we got two Mexican guavas. I believe that was the name of it. I've never seen this type of guava before. What about you? The little yellow teeny ones?
No, the size is a new one.
Okay.
Yeah, it smells.
I think I usually see them in green.
Yeah, but they turn yellow after that.
Okay, and then the inside is what color?
It's white.
White inside? Okay, so what do you think about this one? White?
I think it's white.
I'm gonna say red
Let's see.
or pink.
Size of the.
Yeah, that's a small knife.
Oh,
Ooh.
white.
So it is white inside.
Yes.
Okay.
It smells wonderful.
Yeah, it smells like Brazil. Now I had guava before, and I don't think I've never liked guava.
Baby,
I've never
you need
liked
to
it
try.
because I think it has real hard seeds in it, right?
Yes, it's from that. Always these
Hard
hearts. Yeah, the seeds is always hard.
All right, what does it taste like?
Amazing. The taste regular, but it's really sweet.
Really sweet?
Yeah, really
Soft?
soft,
Okay.
smooth.
The outside kind of reminds me of like a little pear. Real thin skin,
Yeah.
very thin.
Brazilian guava, the peel is harder.
It's a hard peel, hard seeds. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of that pineapple guava we had. Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
That little nasty little green thing.
Yes.
Texture like a pear, tastes like a lemon. I could taste a little bit of sweetness. Real soft fruit. I like soft fruit. I like sweet fruit. I'm gonna give this one an 8.
8?
So if you see a Mexican guava, I believe it's called Mexican guava. I'm gonna have the title of what it's called because I have it on the receipt. You see these in the store, pick up a handful.
Yes, definitely. Juice, probably juice is amazing.
Yeah.
We can juice with we can blender
Yeah.
with the orange,
Yes.
maybe lime.
Yeah, because I don't think these have a lot of juice.
Oh no.
I think a pear. When I bite into this, I think a pear. I think you can just pick these up from the store.
Let me show you the greedy dog. Do you like it? No.
Wow. I've never seen them turn away food.
Yeah.
Okay, so we like it. That little piece that he had is going in the compost bin.
Yeah.
See, that should teach him not to keep asking for stuff. Greedy dog. All right, your Weekend Gardener, we out.
Bye, guys.
Peace.